case that you've got 3 cars behind you, they don't see that pigeon, so they're not expecting you to slow down. We're going to turn left here. You would just be expected to squish it, unfortunately. Yeah, the only thing I would take away from today's lesson is definitely, if you've got cars behind you on a 40-mile-an-hour road and there's a pigeon in the way, run it over. I'm sorry, but
I don't know.
It's not worth getting rear-ended.
Yeah, don't want to kill the pigeon.
It's a lot of paperwork and a lot of angry people to have to deal with. Again, it's a pigeon. I would slow down for a pigeon if there's nothing behind me. I would slow down for a pigeon if it was on a road like this where I'm going very slow already. But these guys, there's 3 cars behind you. They were not expecting you to use quite as much brake when you did.
Yeah, I kind of felt bad after I did